So guys, today's video I'm showing how to add Playfab / Banning inside your Gorilla Tag game. I know it's been like 6 or 8 months or 7 months, whatever the hell it was, but I'm back from my short, long vacation. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have Unity, SDK, and Playfab extensions inside your project. Because if you don't, it's in my Discord server down below. My new Discord server, of course. Um, and you can also check it in the Photon Help server, which was posted about 6 or 7 months ago. And you can, I think I promoted the Discord server in there, so to go check it out. But once you have it installed, what you want to do is you want to go to Window, Playfab, and Editor extensions. And once you have this open right here, you want to it's gonna say log into your email. It's not gonna show for me because I already logged in. But when you log in, it's going to show this. So now once you have this in, what you want to do, you want to open up Playfab right here, and you want to look for your game inside of here. So that's not it. If it's not even in here, then just create a new one. But it's right here for me. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna actually go back. I don't want to press on it yet, and I want to take the ID, which is right here. And you want to go back to here, go to settings, and your title ID right here, and then it would show, and you paste it in, it would show your developer's key and everything. Monkey, Loomers, make sure everything's alright. And now you're done with this. You want to go back to your hierarchy, and now is for the banning. Okay, so if you don't know how to do banning, this is the video. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you save this project right here. Save it. And once it's saved, you want to go to your scenes, and you want to make one named bands. And of course, if you want to, let me just delete this jungle map because I really don't need this anymore. So what you're gonna need to do is, if you want to make like an actual ban scene where you're like in Stump and there's like a ban screen saying you have been banned for whatever time you want, you can do that in this video. So you want to just Control A, and then copy the whole thing. And you want to go to bands and delete all of this. And now you have this in, okay? So what you're going to want to do next is I'm actually going to get my, actually we don't need a skybox. But next thing you want to do is you want to create a cube, okay? So this is going to be your ban expire thing, like it showed like your bands. So you're going to want to just personalize your band scene. And once your band scene is done, I'll come back to, once you finish your band scene, I'll come back to what you want to do next. So yeah. Alright, I set up my band scene and everything, so now I'm actually how to set it up, and when you ban someone, it shows on the screen, this thing right here. Don't mind this, what I did, honestly. Yeah, so let me just show you how to do it now. Just gonna hide that. Alright, so next you want to go back to your Playfab and stay here, stay put there. Next, you're going to want to make sure you go back to your other scene, so save this scene, of course. And go to your 4 scene. Make sure it's saved. Yep. Alright. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a empty game object. Sorry about that. And I'm going to name it Playfab Manager. So this is going to hold everything you do. Everything you want to do in here. Of course, so for example, if I want to add Playfab Manager, this is what it's going to do, and add Playfab Login. These are also going to be in the description below. And yeah, so let me show you what to do next with these things right here. And yeah, so what you're going to do next is you're going to want to see Playfab Login. You want to see band scene name, of course. You're going to want to name that scene whatever your thing is. So it's bands. And now I think you're good to go. We can test it out by loading up the game and seeing if we get banned. So yeah, let's test it out. We're going to test one little thing. So when you load up the game, we're going to keep this open right here. and we're actually gonna press play and see if it works. Alright, so now we have our little my Playfab ID. You're gonna want to refresh this, and you're gonna see Bytes PC, whatever your name is. Next, you can see bans are here. You want to add a ban, and let's do test, and let's just do 1 hour, and then we're gonna hide my IP address because I don't want you to see my IP address. Alright, so now we have banned myself. We're going to reload the game and see if it brings us to the different scene. Wait, actually, hold on. I think I did something wrong. Before you actually do this, you want to copy this, go to bans, and you want to add this Playfab manager in here. And then now you can see when you load up the game right here, and load up the game, it's gonna show your little. See, let me show this up. It's gonna show your little ID. It's not gonna show your ID actually because you're banned. So now we can go to Forest again, save, and then see if we can try it one more time. Okay, I don't think we can ban ourselves in here, but I think I can go test it in the game. But if it doesn't show you that you're banned, then double check in your managers if it works. Double check your manager if everything is wrong. But just name this. Honestly, if it doesn't work and it doesn't work for a little bit, and when you load up the game and stuff, search. Put in your band scene name as whatever you want. So let's just do monkey bands, something like this, and then we changed it to monkey bands. Alright, so now it should work. If it doesn't work for you, like it didn't work for me because I'm not in the game physically, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and that's pretty much the tutorial. And yeah, so see you guys later. And what I want to say before I leave is thank you for the last video with the, I think, 180 views. Let me put this up real quick. But yeah, thank you for 124 views on my 4 months ago video. I thought it was 6 months ago actually. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, bye.